Okay, we are back with this SVR 10 from Skar and we're in the process of reinstalling this top plate so that we can mount the DD audio baskets. We're keeping them 10s, but we're making them better because it's not hard to do that when you got Skar. Don't care what the haters say. Or don't care if you say I'm a hater. I don't really care. Not my subs. Don't like them. Anyway, got the top plate, or got the magnet, got the slug, the motor ready to go. Got that cleaned up, got the top plate stripped down, cleaned up, got the new holes drilled, got my long bolts ready to go. Now this is interesting. I've been trying to get someone on like Facebook Marketplace that advertises their 3D printing services to 3D print me a cup that will go over the pole piece. Then I can put the top plate down on top of it. It lines it up, glue dries, pull the cup out, done. Well, I'm getting hold of these people. They're either ghosting me or they want a ridiculous amount of money. The one guy wanted $250 to make a cup to go right here. I'm like, that's just ridiculous, screw that. So I have a CNC machine and plexiglass. So here we go, or acrylic. So I made this cup. It's got the ID of the pole piece, it's got the OD. The OD of this is the ID of the top plate, and I put a little lip on there so it won't fall in. And it's just gonna go like that. Top plate goes on, this goes in the top plate goes on, this holds it in place. So here we go, we're gonna get this on. I got my high temp JB weld, I'm gonna put it on the top plate, and then that way it won't smear around as I'm setting it down. At least I hope it won't. So, here we go. All right, good enough. Fill this out again. There we go. Putting that in there nice and tight. It fits real snug. I'm liking it. We'll see what happens here. Take this real slow. Try to anyway. I'm gonna get one lip over the top and then settle the other two on top. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yes, now it's working. The footage you're not gonna see, I was kicking my ass trying to get this thing right. But now, it's perfect. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Now, just so you're aware, these are stainless steel bolts, so they're not very magnetic. They still have a slight magnetic pull, but not much. So shove this back down on. All right, now turn this bit. Now, come on. There we go. That just mixes the glue a little better. spreads it around. Now, lastly, we're gonna put a bead around the edge. As long as I have enough. What this does is it puts a bead of epoxy around the edge and prevents any motor shifting. Or top plate shift, rather. Perfect. Hell yes. Oh, guys, I've been sweating on this and fucking with this for like 2 hours tonight. Finally got it done. I'm gonna need some more epoxy. Cool. Now I just let that dry overnight. The bead of epoxy around the edge. Got it smeared out around the inside. Hell yeah, finally. Awesome, man. So when I'm done, I'm gonna pry this thing up and then it's done. It's good to go. It's ready for the motor to get, or the basket to get put on and get all put back together. So, man, about time. Out here sweating in the garage for you guys. For you guys. Do one more. Run around here. There we go. Cool. I actually did 3 iterations of this. This one, the lip was too big. Didn't work as well. But this worked perfect, finally. All right, guys. That's it for the night. That's it for the night. Next few days, I'll work on getting the basket mounted and then work on putting it all back together. I already have the cone, the surround, the dust cap coil, spider, all that good stuff. Going with a dual layer spider, rather stiff. Yeah, it's gonna be a 10, and I got a matching one too that I gotta work on. So this one will be all right. So for now, that's it for the night. I'm gonna go to bed. All right, well, take her easy. One more time. Yeah, all right.